Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Nabiha. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like this video, please do consider subscribing by the end of it. So it's obvious that today's video is a hijab tutorial, and I feel like I haven't filmed the tutorial in so long, which is why I decided to take some time out and film this for you guys. So today's video is going to be about multiple hijab styles which according to me look great with a viscose hijab in particular, because I feel like it's a really amazing fabric. It's super soft, it's long stay, it doesn't slip, and it gives you great volume and a great fall. So because of all these reasons, I feel like a lot of hijab styles look great with it. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching this, and if you like the styles, then don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments below, and also like, share and subscribe if you haven't already done that. So without wasting more time, let's get straight to it.